Welcome to this very special bonus episode of the Podcast Accelerator. Now, the title of this episode is Help Me to Help You. And if you've been following me for a while, you know that I've been working hard to build podcasting technology with our teams at Rebel Base Media. We built Captivate.fm, we've continued to grow podcast websites, and of course we're building productivity and our membership and education section in the Podcast Success Academy. This is an ecosystem of products all run by very dedicated people, dedicated teams here at Rebel Base Media. But one of the biggest things that I want to help you with is providing the right information to podcasters like yourself when you need it. And so today I have an ask. You know that we've just hit the 150 episode mark. We've been doing the Podcast Accelerator for 1 year now. So what I want you to do is help me with the next phase of the Podcast Accelerator, the next phase of the Podcast Accelerator. In this episode, I'm going to ask you for one thing. I'm going to ask you one question, and when I do, you're going to see some voting options on the screen if you are listening on the URL that I give you now. So here's what I want you to do to help me. It will take you 20 seconds, okay? I want you to go to the following URL, all right? markasquith.com/vote. VOTE. There's a link in the show notes, markasquith.com/vote. Go ahead and do that now. Go ahead and do that now. When you get there, markasquith.com/vote, I want you to just answer the question that pops up right now. The question that's popped up right now is, what is the biggest issue holding your show back? What is the biggest issue holding your show back? And you have 4 options. Is it time? Is it marketing? Is it budget? Or is it technology? What is the biggest issue holding your show back? Is it time, marketing, budget, or tech? All you have to do is press the button that is on the embedded player. If you're on a desktop or an iPad, you will probably see this a little easier. Go ahead, markasquith.com/vote, answer that question. There will be some options on the embedded player right now. What is the biggest issue holding your show back? Time, marketing, budget, or tech? Now, what I'm going to do with that information is we don't track anything. I don't know it's you that's voted. I won't know who it is that's voted. I don't want your email address. I don't want any of this sort of stuff. I just want you to tell me what the biggest issue holding your show back is. Again, time, marketing, budget, or tech. With that information, it will help me to shape what we focus the next few episodes of the Podcast Accelerator on, and it's helping me to test a little bit of technology. For anyone that's been following me for a while, you'll know I've been a little coy around a few things that we've been building. Maybe if you do this, if you help me out on markasquith.com/vote, you will get first exposure to something that we have been a little coy on. Just saying. Go and check it out, okay? So please, help me out. markasquith.com/vote and answer the following question. What is the biggest issue holding your show back? Is it time, marketing, budget, or tech? Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. Thank you for letting me do this big bonus episode. It's quite a big deal internally for us helping to test this tech out and give some feedback on what we can do better here with the Podcast Accelerator. A huge thanks to Aweber for sponsoring the show. Go and check them out for 30 days completely free for your email marketing needs at markasquith.com/Aweber. Much love. Let me know if you need anything. Until the next time, never forget, the more you expect from yourself, the more you will excel.